Use a removal tool to pry off the panel under the door armrest. Unscrew the bolts at the bottom of the door, under the armrest, and on the side. Next, use your tool to pop off the door panel. Carefully disconnect the wiring harnesses from the back. Use a socket wrench to remove the mounting screws from the factory speaker. Remove the speaker and unplug the power cable. Install the mounting bracket for our new door speaker. Thread the power adapter cable through the bracket hole and connect it to the speaker. Mount the speaker onto the door and secure it with the 4 screws. Connect the factory OEM speaker plug to the power adapter cable. Test the audio. If everything sounds good, reinstall the door panel. Sound quality comparison. Use a tool to pry off the panel under the armrest and remove the 2 internal screws. Use your tool to remove the 2 mounting screws at the bottom of the door. Next, use the removal tool to detach the door panel. Carefully disconnect the wiring harnesses from the back. Note: you need to press down on the clip to pull the plug out. Unplug the OEM speaker power cable. Use a socket wrench to remove the factory speaker mounting screws. Then, take out the original speaker. Install the speaker mounting bracket onto the door. Thread the power adapter cable through the bracket and connect it to the speaker. Connect the black wire to the right terminal and the red wire to the left terminal. Mount the speaker to the door and lock it in place with 4 screws. Connect the factory OEM power cable to the speaker adapter. Test the music to ensure it's working, then put the door back together. Sound quality comparison.